Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're actually going to be picking up a new rig, as you guys saw from the title. Parts truck for the Bronco. We are going now to pick it up. We got the trailer, it's all hooked up. We got my dad in his 3500. He always helps me out, really appreciate that. And we're heading out to Abbotsford. We're going to hopefully get it on here smoothly, but we'll see how it goes. Stay tuned.
Yeah, you're good in the back. Woo-hoo.
That's big, eh? Just pulled it on. Runs, as you saw, front wheel drive. Then there's no drive shaft, but it's all for parts.
Okay. Oh. Okay. Keep on going. You're good.
I don't know how the brakes are here, to be honest.
Oh, it's all right.
Nice straight.
You're good. Watch out for Papa.
My brakes are parked, so I don't have brakes.
No brakes? Okay, well then just it's sloped, so you're good.
I'm throwing neutral and cruising.
Yeah.
I guess we got...
You're going uphill, so Car Fleet 2021. We rule.
Holy. So we got it off the trailer. It runs really well, except the fact that the brakes you have to push to the floor and then put it in park. It's super sketchy. It's only front wheel drive right now. I just tried to throw it in park and it wouldn't go in park, so I'm just cruising forward. Almost hit something. We got around. Oh no, not the rack. Oh my gosh, my dad's gonna kill me. I've hit his rack, his old rack, I hit it twice. Bad luck, but seems to be running good. But he said you need spacers on the front for 35s, and I noticed it right away. The 35s just grind up the front, so this is definitely a good choice for a parts truck. Now that I'm driving it, I definitely don't want to drive it on the road. So I'm glad I didn't drive it home, because I would have freaking died. But yeah, let's keep trying to get this thing. We're gonna pull it in here. It's gonna be tight. Guarantee I'm gonna hit something, but we'll see. All right, so we got her in its spot. I got tons of room to work on it. It's on gravel, but that's right. And yeah, I mean, perfect for parts. After I drove it, I realized it's definitely not a running properly vehicle. You could restore it pretty easily, but I think it's better to bring all those parts to the Bronco. So yeah, we're gonna go return the trailer back to where I live, and I'll probably come back and grab all the parts out of the bed and start getting ready for swapping all the parts over. All right, so it's the same day still. I came back and I just popped this wheel off because this is the 35. It does not hold air for more than like 20 minutes. So I have my spare 33 and this one holds air. It's actually the spare. I have a set of 5 at home, so I brought the spare. We're gonna throw it on just so it holds air. These rims are actually really nice. They're nicer than the ones I have. These are actually free moving. Ones on my Bronco are C's, so that's good. Yeah, you guys can see all this, like, still gonna need to buy brakes, which is totally fine. I know I'm still gonna have to buy stuff, but like you can see, I don't know what's better and what's worse yet. But there's a 2-inch body lift actually. See here, there's actually some decently bad rust on the cab corner. So good thing I don't need that. So, but yeah, I mean, we definitely got tons of good parts we could use. I'm literally gonna use the body mounts, I don't know if I'm gonna use the body lift. I'm still on the fence about it. But yeah, we're definitely gonna use a lot of parts from this thing. We are going to go through all the parts back here as well. I have no clue what's back here. All I know is there's a lot of stuff. 33's on. I'll actually steer now too if I have to steer it, but don't think I will be. But yeah, 35, that looks good with the 33s on this truck. 35s, it gives it that like snugger look. Like, but yeah, you guys can see these tires ain't good for nothing. They're just rollers at this point. But yep, so we won't lose air anymore. That's good. Like, look at this one. We filled it up taking it off the trailer and it's totally donezo. So we're gonna take this back and this is just gonna be, take the tire off it and keep the rim on the side. So he said it was actually broken at the bead, so we can't fix that one. But check out this interior, guys. For 2,400 bucks, like, come on. The interior is freaking mint. We got even more parts in here. Like, I can't believe it. We got like the shifter boot. We got that freaking piece here that I needed as well because mine was toast. Like everything, all the parts you can. All right, guys. So let's start pulling stuff out here. This is all wasp spray. Seems to be a wasp nest. You can actually see it right in there. I have no clue what we could find here. So I honestly didn't even look through the parts. I'm just happy there is a lot of parts. So we'll start one by one here. We got a new gauge. That one's maybe it would clean up, but I got 2 of those, so I'm not worried about that. Box of wires. We'll put this in there. That's good. Definitely use these. Oh my gosh, all these wires. And this is why I love to have extra stuff. All right, what's in here? This looks like exhaust, isn't it? Oh yeah, this is all exhaust. Holy cow. It's a bunch of random exhaust things. Hangers, all like universal, it looks like. Okay, there's our exhaust bin. Good to have, good to have. The more the better, right? Give me some good parts. So I'm looking for the good parts. All right, so we got ignition coil. Is that what it is? But I don't know. I'm not a magician, but we got. Oh, there's some bulbs. So another pulley. Just. Oh, nice little mirror. Is that another one? Hold on. It's another mirror. Oh, it is. Oh, we got a yoke. No way. If this is the right yoke that I need, I don't think it is. All right, so let's continue. We got a really rusted out and a decent thermostat housing, I believe. Yeah. All right, so we got some trim pieces. Always good to have the trim pieces. I got a bunch too. These look like fender ones. Oh, this is door. This is door, and the front. Okay. So, I have a bunch at home. That's good. Okay, here, we got some mounts, new gaskets. This is, looks like a window cleaver. What is this? That's with the cap. Brake cables. Oh, there's a brake cable. You know what? I just cut mine. So that is perfect. And we got a fan. I've been looking for the proper one because I don't have the right fan one. So there's another bin full of stuff. Next one. Oh, baby. If this is for a Bronco, that is clutch. Because I don't have one. So that's the whole reason I bought this thing. We could get a new one of these. Ooh, those are kind of cool. Those are kind of cool. That's kind of cool. I'm gonna say kind of because I don't know. See, that's pretty cool. We're gonna keep those. I think I'd use them if I could. Yeah, I don't know. I like the little stuff, like the little old accessories like these. Those are pretty cool. Bunch of boots. Guys, I'm so happy with all these parts. engine mounts, more engine mounts, boots, stuff. Let's go. We're finding some good stuff here, guys, so I'm really happy. Okay, let's get this one in the truck. All right, so we got caps. That is a live wasp nest. This looks like interior stuff, which could be okay. So make me get the gat on you. That's all I gotta say. You can chill over there, but don't come too close. Okay, we got tons of little things in here. Brake pads? Look at all these parts. Okay, these. Gat's coming out again. Continuing. Parts, door handles, ignitions. We got a few here. Tranny filter. Yeah, okay, automatic filter here. We got a distributor. We got carb distributor caps, like tons of different stuff. So we're gonna fill this bin again, and we're gonna move on. We got, look at all this stuff, guys. Like, it's not even half the truck yet. We still got like all sorts of stuff. All right, so we got a steering wheel. It's actually not in bad condition. I'd probably actually use it because I kind of like that style, the old vibes to it. Let's put her in our pile. So yeah, this is all we're not gonna take. No point in taking the F150 drive shaft. This stuff's a maybe. We got so much stuff though. Like, okay, I think this is a transfer case. Yep. Look at all these parts. Drive shaft. I still need the yoke. Like, I have a drive shaft. These we're probably just gonna throw away. These are Bronco side steps. I'll probably put those for sale right away. What else we got? Like, tank. Gas tank. Okay, this gas tank's for F150. It won't fit the Bronco. I learned that the hard way when I bought one. Back to the bigger stuff. We got drums. They look shot. Okay, I don't think this is the right skid plate for the fuel tank for your Bronco. If you guys could let me know what this is from. I believe it's I believe it's a strap for a fuel tank. I just don't think it's for the Bronco. So I'm gonna leave it here for now because I need a certain one. Looks like a grill though, you could use it as a grill. Yeah, let's keep digging here. Move some stuff. This is a nice freaking tailgate. He said he hung this one on the wall actually. Bumper, we got leaf springs, transfer case, trans, fender, fuel tank, those interior things, drum brakes, and we got a set of rims that I'd imagine I think those are from a newer Bronco or a newer Ford, so not bad. I have to get all this stuff out because I want to take the bed off ASAP. So looking in the interior, we got 4 carbs. They all look like stock 2 barrels. 2 speakers, and this bag's full of seals. So he said some are good, some are bad. Yeah, I mean, this is really cool. I want to learn about carbs. I have to. Not like food carbs either, so don't get it twisted. Okay. All right, so we got the tarp on, just covering the cab. So the interior right now, I need all those pieces, so I do not want to risk that at all. This hood I was going to use, but unless I find like a hood scoop to fill that, but yeah, I'll figure that out another day. Also, I do like the bull bar on these trucks. I think I might use it, and that Ford racing plate. Yeah, all stuff for another day. Yeah, we'll see you guys in the morning, and we're gonna nail this bed. We're gonna take the bed off in the morning.